Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can undo the deletion of pages and elements and items in your Notion workspace. For example, if you accidentally, let's say, deleted a page, let me show you how you can restore that page or undo the deletion really quickly. So head over to your Notion workspace and let me delete that test page here on the left panel just for the sake of this tutorial by right-clicking onto it and by selecting Move to Trash, and that is going to delete the file. As you can see, you can undo it by clicking on Undo here at the bottom. However, guys, you will have only around 5 seconds to click on Undo here. So make sure that you pay attention to that button and click into it before the timer counts down to 0. If you didn't do it, guys, you may also restore the deleted item, or in this case your page, from the trash folder, because items and pages you delete don't get removed permanently already, but they get temporarily moved to the trash folder so that you may be given the opportunity to restore them from there or to delete them permanently from there. So to access the trash folder, scroll all the way down here on the left panel and you will see the trash folder just at the very bottom of it. Click into it, wait for a brief moment so that it updates its the folder content, and after that you will see all of your recently deleted items, including pages. So you may click into one of them to access it and you will see that banner here at the top that the given item has been deleted. So you will have up to 30 days from the moment you deleted it to either restore the given page or item or to delete it entirely, not only from the trash folder, but irreversibly from your entire workspace. So if you'd like to undo the deletion, simply click on Restore Page here. And there you go. The given page or item will be moved to its previous location, in this case here, this page. So that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.